Hi guys, I'm Mr. Williams, and if you're watching this, that means you have me in fourth grade this year. Can't wait to meet you guys, can't wait to get the school year started. I know I'm ready, I'm sure some of you guys are ready too. Uh, it is going to be a different year than it ever has been. All right, but hopefully we are going to get through it as best we can. One of the big things that you're going to notice is social distancing. We're going to have it here in the classroom. As you can see, these are your guys' desks this year. This is how it's going to be set up. Not saying that you're going to be sitting in the exact same seat all year long in the exact same spot, but we have to make sure that we're apart. Normally these desks would be together, but not right now. All right. Another thing is we will not be doing small groups like you are used to in the past, I'm sure, 3 to 4 years. I'm sure you've been doing small groups your entire time you've been in school. All right. So we're going to be doing whole group math, meaning that we're going to all be working on the same thing at the same time. For math, for reading, for writing, for social studies, for science. All right. It's not the way I love to run things, but it's just how we're going to have to run it for now. Once this all clears up, I'm sure that we're going to be going back to the way that we're used to having things go. Couple things about me. I'm sure that you guys, most of you have seen me in the hallways. You know, I'm kind of a goofy, funny guy. That kind of stuff. I like to have fun, and I like for my classrooms to have fun. All right. But I will tell you, there's a time to be serious, and then there's a time where we can joke around and have a good time. This is my third year going into it, and I'm sure you could talk to any of my other 2 classes that I've had. They'll tell you. He's fun. He'll joke with you. I'll laugh with you. But when it's time to get serious, it's time to get serious. All right. Something else, big sports fan, big IU fan, big Chicago Bears fan, big Cubs fan. If you want to come up and talk to me about sports, I'll definitely talk to you about sports. Even if you want to talk about Purdue. Yeah. But whatever, I'll talk to you guys about that. All right. Another thing that's going to be different for me this year is our supplies and my books. As you can see, my one bookshelf over here, which I still need to get finished cleaning up before next week, it's turned around. All right. Normally there'd be books on that one, and there's also books on that one over there that has water bottles on it. But they're turned around right now. They don't want us sharing supplies. They don't want us sharing books all that much. So luckily for you guys, you can still get a book from the library. Mrs. Smith will explain how that all works. But there's also free online books that we're going to be able to do for AR. So this year, unfortunately, my books will be, you won't have access to them. You won't be able to use them. All right. Another thing, and this is really for parents, in the past few years, all of our supplies have been shared. This is no longer the case. So what you're buying for your child is strictly your child's. I'm not saying that you need to go out and buy a specific thing. If you've already gone out and bought pencils, that's fine. Do not go out and buy more. But if you have not gone out and bought pencils yet, I would recommend the mechanical pencils. That way we don't have to sharpen them. All right. Again, I have pencils. I have the pencil sharpener. I can sanitize them. I can clean them. It's not going to be a big deal. If you don't buy it, if you haven't bought them, or if you don't buy them, don't think you have to. We'll get it figured out. All right. Again, can't wait to see you guys. Can't wait to get the school year started. Can't wait to have some normalness back in our lives. I can't wait to see you guys this upcoming week. Have a great day.